Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 84, Nasdaq's down 5.5, S&Ps are up 11, gold contract down $22.40, trading at $1,145 an ounce. Silver up 52 cents at $15.42 an ounce. Platinum down 13 bucks at $1,210 an ounce. Copper flat at $3 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.64, trading out at $78.83 a barrel. Bonds, we have the 10-year flat at 126.08, 30-year down to 6 ticks at 141.02. King dollar up 453 ticks, trading out at 87.55. The euro is at 124.83, and the yen is trading at 114.70. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We got to a high out here today of 2014. We're at 2023. Yeah, we got to a high of 2023. We're at 2020 right now, and then that is over the September 19th high. The high that was generated out here on November 3rd was the 2024, which we got right underneath today. So we'll see where this baby does shake out. If we go over to the SPY, we take a look at the SPY. What you have with the SPY is this. The SPY got to a higher high today, 202.59. We're at 202.23, and the last high that was out there, the closing was 201.77. We're over that right now. The actual high was 202.45. Volume is 71 million shares out here. The high out on the 19th of September was 121 million. The high that was generated 2 days ago was 93 million. So bottom line, you have no buyers up here. And this market, you know, you got over the highs. Bottom line, you got to get away from these highs. So we'll see whether the market can get away from these highs. We're at basically the same place that we're trading August 26th. Dow, that's in the S&P. Dow Industrials, we take a look at the Dow. Dow is over the high and has got away from that range. The range in the Dow, realistically, is down about 17,151, and you're at 471 right now. Inside the Dow Industrials, which is putting the juice inside the Dow Industrials, is Visa. Visa's up an additional $5.93. You get DuPont up $1.19. United Technologies up $1.47, and J.P. Morgan is up 79 cents. Taken away from it is Intel is down 59 cents. You have Boeing down 53. Pfizer's positive right now. So IBM is down 85. NASDAQ Composite. We go over to the Composite. We take a look at the Composite. Excuse me, folks. Composite right now is down $5.50. That's a lot, and it's not a lot. We're at 4617. 4610, folks, would bring you in the lower range. Right now, though, it's in the higher range. Volume on that composite still is going to be weak at these highs. NASDAQ, the NDX 100, that got to a higher high today, 20 million shares. We're at 101.27. And in order to get to the lower range, you would have to get back inside 100.33. Inside the NDX 100, which is putting the juice into it out here today, is that you have Liberty Media is up $2. That's almost 9%. You get the Cognizant Technology up $3.90. Mondelez is up $2, and you got NXP Semi is up $3.47. Taken away from it, you have TripAdvisor. That's down $12. Wynn Casinos is off $7. You get Gilead off $3.72, and Tesla is down $7.51. We go over to the gold market. What do we have with gold? They whacked gold big time this morning. Gold traded down to $11.37. Right now, you're at $11.45. If we you had 239,000 contracts traded. If we bring this up in the continual contract, what you're going to see is that when we bring this back, what is game here So once you get into the 12.20, well, once you get into 11.95 area, well, you know what that opens up. That opens up a huge danger patch. There's no two ways about it. Meaning down to 1045. It's holding pretty good out here today. Meaning as to you goose it down, gets the lower price, has fast price destruction, and it looks like they basically it rejected the lower price as it is. And what that means is that most of the stops that were underneath this got basically taken out because we've only come $12 off the lows, and that's not a lot. There's no doubt about that. If we go over to the dollar index, it's all about the dollar. What you have with the dollar out here is this dollar goes up 473 ticks. We were up over 500 ticks this morning. 34,000 contracts. Is it extended? Yes, it's extended, no doubt about that. And it doesn't have any juice in it. So the way that dollar is set up and gold is set up is that I suspect you're going to see reversals out there. The euro, we go to the euro, and if that's the case, of course, what you're going to see is that you're going to see a reversal in the euro. Also, you'll see a counter trend bounce. The euro right now is at 124.79. The swing point that it broke is 125.04. It did that this past Friday. You know, the low of Monday was 12444. And thus far, you've had a couple thrusts upside, no big deal. Bonds. The bond market, folks, is still saying, guess what? The money's going into bonds. It's rejecting lower price. It's doing it with lighter volume. This bond market still wants to go higher. You know, the high volume high on the 10-year at 130.17. We did 831,000 contracts today on the 10, which is about as weak as you can get. 30-year bond, USZ FOA. What we have with the 30-year out here is the 30-year flat market out here today on the 30-year. We've done 226,000 contracts, and you know that bottom line wants to go up and test the 148. Now, who knows what's going to have that baby get up and hit it, but that's where that little baby does want to go. Some of the high-volume stocks in this low-volume market, this is what we have out here. You know, Bank of America up 12 cents, Facebook's down $1, FireEye's down $5. That baby's getting hit. That's really got hit off the highs, too. Pretty amazing. If we bring this up for a second, let me just see what the volume looks like. So you're at $29 in FireEye. Yeah, big volume on the way down. 22 million shares. Bottom line is that wants to get down into this $25 area. If we go over to the XAU and the HUI, XAU right now is down at $2.13, trading out at 62.24. And if we do bring this back, what you're going to see is that the low of 2008 is 63.52. And we're below it on the XAU. We go to the HUI. We take a look at the HUI. Put this back to the 2008 lows also, and get some volume characteristics up there. On the HUI, the low of the HUI is 150.27. We are at 149.94. That's going to be a number you want to watch, folks. The reason being is that bottom line is that you'll either get a rejection of that lower price or it's going to bust it. It doesn't have the volume. It didn't have the HUI didn't have the volume last month. The XAU did. Let's go to Larry in Dallas. Hey, Larry, what's going on?
Oh, doing great, Tom. How you doing?
Doing great, man. Thanks for calling. Thanks for holding.
All right. Would you take a look at Chewy, CHUY? It got slammed today.
Let's take a look. So it's a full-service Mexican restaurant. The low is today $20.65. The high is $43.40. Okay, so what are you looking to do here?
Well, I'm looking for an entry point. It's a good Mexican restaurant. Every time you go there, they're packed. Great food.
Okay, so
understand.
I'd wait to the very low. It looks like this thing went public sometime in 2012 rather. It's going to go after that low. It's going to go after $13, man. So don't touch it right now.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. And, you know, when it gets down there, what you're looking for is this. You're looking for a rejection of lower price first. Then you're looking for a sign of strength, and then you buy the next pullback. Make sure it has a sign of strength before you buy that baby.
Thanks, Tom.
Okay, Larry, have a great one. Have a safe one. Dow Industrials right now up 89. Nasdaq's down 6. S&Ps are up 10.5. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back.